Splash Island. This is my... Yo, what's up? I got... This is Kuya Lace.
Let's go.
The geometry line, not the line.
Come on.
Ayun.
Yeah. Hold your hands. I have a lot.
Kuya Lace, hold my hand. Here, we're now at Splash Island.
Picture kasi mainit.
Hindi, nag-gather siya video. Dito na.
Guys, we're in the Philippines, not America.
Chicken pa.
I'm not American, even if my first language
Kuwaran
is
pa ba? Maligaw.
English.
Baka dumaretso GMA kami dito.
You know my first language is English and not Filipino. Yeah? Oh yeah, I already know that. Mine is English Filipino. I am half Chinese and half Filipino. But I'm half Japanese. Guys, I'm half Japanese.
Ay, sa'yo kasi half talaga eh.
I'm half Japanese. I'm half Chinese. What? I'm half American.
One part eh. Konting-konting patak na lang itong mga kuwaran pala meron.
No, my second language is
Mixed breeds. Oo eh. Ito ang inang-ina. Ito para si inang kapatid. Sila pa rin ang mata eh.
Ito, pag marami kami nakakausap na Chinese na ano, talagang napapatingin sa akin.
Guys, over here. Guys, we're here. Meet my mom.
Hi! Happy summer! Oh, so,
Happy summer, guys.
Sophie. Say hi, sir. Come here. Hey, kid. Dito. Stay here. Dito muna kayo. Aray.
Oh yeah, shade. No, guys, it's just more shade. How are we gonna change?
Later.
Later na, boy. Not mine, but I'll call you boy. Dad, over here. Check. Daddy. Yeah, I'm recording. Mommy.
Okay. Kids! Ayun dun. Okay, kuya. Ito sila kuya. Dun. Okay.
Here, I'll change your clothes and we get to be inside. Okay. And be patient. Hi. Wait, you're actually live streaming, Shiro? Yeah. Oh, hi guys. Yo, hello guys. We're live streaming. Well, what? Today we're here at Splash Island. Yeah. This is not the first. This is my first time. Me too. Me too. Me too. And Sophie. And Sophie.
Sophie.
My dad. And my dad. And my mom.
Wait, guess all the VIP gators. Mifon.
People.
No, don't copy them. Mifon.
Tissues.
Flower.
Paper. Wait, no. No, those are I characters.
Fiery.
Creepy.
You could say the same thing what you said earlier. Flower.
Fiery's boyfriend.
Fiery's girlfriend.
Fiery's girlfriend. Fiery's girlfriend.
Hey, what? You cannot say.
Oh, that's another word.
Right.
Gosh, my butt is hurting so much.
Ay, come here. Si Kiro ay sa kabila.
Shiro, come here. Bro, don't end the screen.
Okay, nano.
No, this is a VIP.
Tanong dito, JR.
No, this is the
Ay, more than na kayo. Hindi na, more than na kayo tatlo. Okay. Dito hindi na, no? Ay, hindi rin. Oh, balik na kayo kay Tita Shana.
Oh, hi guys. Welcome. Hey, Shiro. Hey, Shiro.
Ano?
Salmon.
Na si Kuya. Lampas na ikaw, be? Lampas ka na, be?
I'm already 9 years old. I took almost everything. I took almost everything from that scale.
I think you are 6 feet.
Ne.
No, just kidding, Fiery. Huh? 4 feet. Stop guessing my hand.
Baka malobat ka doon.
Wait,
Later
wait,
again, pag nasa inside na tayo.
It's now 92%.
Mamaya ulit. Pagka pasok natin. Para ma-view mo pa. Off mo muna. Turn off mo muna.
Get up. Yo, what's up?
Get up, come here.
Dad.
It's Daddy said goodbye to you. Nga. Ako po, at baka magtampo na sa wala na si nanay, walang lutong ulam. Nag-iwala ako chicken, tapos. Kasi wala pang bigas, di ba ako namimili?
Do you wanna change the
Hindi
word?
man nagbibigas, nagkakanin yung si Sean lang. Kaso si Sean, di man lang, hindi alam ng mas kami.
Kasi nag-ano lang naman kami dapat.
Kasi ito nga, bigla, teka, nag-i-impake ako. Ano sila? Bakit kailangan ko mag-impake? Suro bata kasama. Nagamit ko to ba itong bag nung baby bag pa to ni Kuya. Kuya, saan pa to? Pakatibay.
Stay fun. More fun.
You know, this is 14 years old.
What?
This bag is 14 years old. Like Kuya siya.
I'm already done. I'm grade 4 now.
Yeah,
Now I'm using pen.
The
Are you grade
power
four?
grade
Not yet. But now I'm using pen now.
Oh, yeah.
If I make a single mistake, my life will be over.
Ano eh?
Just kidding.
That's an eraser, an eraser.
I mean a sand
That's a-
eraser.
Yes.
You be careful.
But I don't even know
Just
where-
strike it once.
Like, this
Sophie's going to school na.
Oh. Sophie,
Yeah.
you're gonna be kindergarten? Or grade 1?
Kinder
Okay.
1.
I mean kindergarten?
Yeah. Nagsapawi sa
Kindergarten slim, my favorite. Lola, ni grade 2 now.
I'm already grade 4, but I still I don't have classes.
Mag-watch ka lang, Mike. Wala si Nana dito sa Pasita. Malapit lang naman dito. Tinagsiyata nila kuya, hindi pupunta dito. Unless ihatid nila Ruel.
Nalala ko lang damit natin. Maligo mo lang. Ito yung damit ko. Ngayon ko lang ito sinuot. Kasi may
Wow,
Ay, ganito nga ako. Yung mga hindi sa ni nanay. Binibenta ko sabi ko. Kung ito pala, hindi mo kasi nakatenggol.
parang mainit.
Yung mga lamig sa katawan, galing din yung US yung padala nila Tita Des. Yung kapatid ni Lola.
Regalo lang sa akin.
Ayaw suot ni nanay. Grabe ang dami ko.
Regalo
Ano,
sa akin.
kinagat ba ako?
Ang tagal mo nitong magbaal.
Wala kayong kagat ng lamok? Look at my feet. Oh, look. Here. This one, oh. Be, this.
Ano pa si... May,
Ito, sa legs.
Ano si ano ng kwarto eh. airport. Araw. Okay. Sabi ko
What?
kasi hindi ako maliligo.
Ang kumalit ako ng dami nila mukha. Ha? Ang dami.
Wala na sana ako sa bahay.
Below I live is free. What? Below I live is free. Is there below 3 feet? Well, not so free. I'm not the lowest.
You're below 3 feet?
No,
What?
I took the whole space.
And then they said it.
No. I'm just asking the height.
I don't like that.
Ha?
I went into the red. I was in the red part. Why is it looking so good?
What?
Why does it look so good? That one.
Like, that's what you like?
Yes. See, why am I sitting on this one? It's chopped out.
Wow, I see a color something.
What? Heart?
Yeah, let's go right here.
Where's my mom and dad going to be done?
Zero.
What you doing? You still live streaming? Oh, hello. Hello, guys. What's up?
What's up?
Guys, wait. We have to stream. We have to stream. We need to change. We need to change the camera. Wait. No, the phone's upside down.
Ha? Tagal?
That was a picture.
Tagal na. Dami kasi na.
I am making this stream very dirty.
Hey, Don. What? Well done, go.
A4.
Si Belo. Belo. Belo, 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 Belo.
Kilala ko to. Hindi ko na ito. Baby to eh.
Sarah, you're so skinny. Sarah.
Kaya pa, 36?
So, Shira, what's your slippers? If you're not filming, i-turn off mo. Sayang, bakit yan? I-edit mo pa. Ano sa akin?
So, papaldo pero ano.
Let's go. Mamaya, dun. Ano ito nyo? Later.
Para malaman ko.
Be.
Uy. Asa pa? Yun, pasok na po yung
Ay, meron makapalit.
walang bag. Wait for us.
We are waiting for you.
Yes, right.
We also got a bucket for some reason. Yo, guys, look at this. Here, come here, look.
Look. There we go. Start. Archery, full soccer, football. Soccer. I'm table for look.
Oh, stand up, stand up.
21.
Wait, let's do soccer.
Yeah, wait for us kasi I have the
Ha?
You wait for me.
Ay, ano. Picture dito.
Ask my dad first.
Sige, Tan. Tago mo na yung kay Ila.
One by one ka, parang one by
Pasok
one.
na ako.
Oo.
Anong dalawang bata bigyan mo?
Pamili. Zero. Zero, hold this. Doon ako makapit sa ulo.
Gusto niya siya. Oh, give to kuya.
Ito yung yun, sana
Sige, kuya.
Wait lang, be.
Be, you wait for your... Give it to me na.
Wait, give it to my mom, bro.
Hindi, Sophie.
Excuse me.
Halika dito.
Ay, sumabit ako.
Look, this is so cool. Can't get better than this. Oh wow! Look. Oh my God! Wait lang. Kira. Yeah, well, look at this face. Look at this face.
Doon daw yung mag-aayos. Nasa na yung resibo ng kwarto? Tsaka yung...
Wow, bunny.
Magkatabi lang yung malaki yung kwarto. Ay, hindi ko alam. Basta magkalapit yung i-reserve niya sa akin. Ay, di pala sa 6 line ha. Mali lang. Ano ba? Papapalit lang ko.
Mommy, right here.
Wala ka lalabas talaga.
Tapat ng lecture branch sa
Ano, nakatapat na siya yung face. Not so the ano, the size. Yan. So you can click this. Yung fronting ng camera. So you can see it. Oh no, wala. Ba't wala? Magkano po tayo sa sunblock? Sa room. Saan tayo sa room? Itay ka dito. Sige. Let's wait to... Don't sit down, ha? Okay, tayo ka dun, ha?
Hi, Iwan.
Get inside. Get inside na. At alat na. Dali, dali.
Hey bro, should we be?
Let's change.
Ano lang kasi
Be
to?
up here.
4-4. Para lang may nakacover
Whoa,
yung
too scared, too scared.
I
gamit
need to
natin.
change.
Bro,
Tsaka si nanay,
it's so risky going up
maiiwan.
there. Mom, it's so risky going up there.
Tulog lang naman.
I need to go change.
Yeah, you change now.
It's so
Kaya yung
risky.
mga on the go doon natin.
I wish. It's so risky, Tita Shella. It's so risky. Mommy, it's so risky to go up
Pinalo
here.
lang ako ni ate kung mag-extend
Mommy.
tayo hanggang 10.
Mommy, it's
Kailangan
so.
daw 4 hand pumunta na doon.
Mommy, it's
Para
so.
mag-Paris band. Extended yung room natin.
Okay, pagpunyin siya ni dyan.
It's
Ay,
so
dito kayo.
risky.
Parang yung naupuan lang kayo.
Daddy,
Yes,
it's so
kayo dito,
risky.
parang kama nyo lang yan.
Can you help
Mamaya
me?
mauntog
Baka
kayo dyan.
mauntog, ha?
Daddy, can you
Para
help me?
matulog kayo dyan. Layo.
Daddy,
Tayo nga naman.
Daddy, can you help me get up
Ay,
there?
sarado mo.
Oh, yan. Nakakasabi.
Daddy, can you help me get up there?
Halika na, Miro. Ayun na.
Di ba mag-swimming na kayo?
Halika. But I want to go up. But it's so risky.
Halika, halika.
Mommy, can you
Asan na
put...
yung ano mo?
Sophie, come here first.
Daddy, where's my
Asan na yung-
Daddy, where's my goggles?
Asan na yung short mo?
Nandun sa ano, yung meron sa paper bag niya. Nasaan? Ayun, siya lang na yung fubo na yan.
Wait, is it okay to wear my...
Yeah, it's okay lang to wear. You should wear that.
Oh.
Ito, wear panties.
What's
Okay
it?
na yan?
Wait,
Ikaw sa buka ka. Okay,
What
tayo.
is
Ay,
it?
yung tubig na nanay.
What's my bag?
Dala mo yun, ayan. Sa
Ayun,
may
nakikita
tissue.
Why is it so risky to get up here?
Ito, JR.
Where is it?
Hindi na.
Daddy, I
Okay,
mean,
pagbasa, don't go to the bed, ha?
Hanggang doon lang tayo, Nipa.
Doon na sa nipa hut, sa labas, outside.
Kasi
If
may,
you're already wet,
kasi may nag-audit. At least alam natin. Pag sinabing ano, meron tayo dyan. Ang hindi. Mahal-mahal. Sabi ko, pero kano yung ano, parang may mga rooms doon.
oh.
So sabi niya, ay ano po yun? Sabi ko, good for ilan yun? Sabi niya, good for 10. May sarili CR yun, mula 10, wala ng CR.
friend, go out.
Eh, yun yung 10K eh.
Lock the door, Leia.
Taga lang
No,
pagod
it's
ako.
so risky to get up here.
Oh,
Because it's not a diagonal
Dapat
ladder.
yung bag dito.
Mommy, why is it so risky to get up this?
Because nga, oh, look oh.
It's vertical.
On the...
It's because it's vertical.
Yeah.
Let me try this. I cannot believe. Scary, it's scary, it's scary. Somebody help me get me down.
Grabe, no? 4,000, ganito yung room.
Mahal eh, no?
Mommy, can you use that spray? That.
Isang baso ha.
Wala sa akin sa loob.
Wala. Sa nikahat meron.
Ewan ko lang.
Sana, no?
Meron? Meron naman.
Oo, si Sophie lang tatapos. Ako na maglalagay sa'yo.
Mommy, where's my
Kasi parang may
So,
sakit
picture muna kayo bago kayo magpabasa.
No.
Oo nga, mag-post muna kayo sa akin.
I wanna
Mag-picture
swim
muna.
na.
Or,
Wait lang.
I wanna swim na. I wanna.
Come here, Ben. Hindi pa ako
Ay,
tapos.
teka lang baka mag-message pala si Kim.
No, not that.
Nakalimutan na sila, di ba
Nakalimutan ko yung waterproof na ano.
I know na, ano na yung spray mo, ano, kung ano.
Kasi,
What about me?
Oh yeah, I'll put some.
Oh, I want to take a spray things.
Wala na yung spray natin, ikaka-spray ng sarili niya, naubos.
How much is spray at me? Reuse it again.
Over na spray.
For kids.
ikaw naman kuya.
Now for now. I made a that. No, that was right on my face. Mommy, where's the kids' food?
Ano kayo yung
Just right
slippers?
there.
Suot-suot nila
Right
slippers.
in front of us.
No, dito lang sa labas.
Kada punta sa pool.
Nakikita.
Aba, oo, mainit eh. Doon nila, alisin sa may...
Shiro, come here.
Yung mga sinelas.
You can, ano, tanggal na yung
Dito.
shirts mo.
La, la.
Dito ka,
Okay
dito.
lang, okay na yan, anak.
Yay!